In today's video, let's talk about the way that you fix the PayPal payment pending. If you've sent a payment and it is currently stuck on the pending situation or the pending status, then that simply may be because the recipient of the payment has not accepted it yet. So ensure that the payment was sent to the correct email address or the phone number, as well as the recipient may need to manually accept the payment if it is on a different currency or if they haven't verified their account yet. If the payment is still unclaimed after 30 days, it will automatically be cancelled. So depending upon what your recipient has done, make sure that you inform them that their PayPal account may not yet be verified. Sometimes, however, the payment is pending while the bank transfer processes can normally take 3 to 5 business days. So if your recipient has verified their PayPals, it may also sometimes take 3 to 5 business days for the payment to resolve and the payment to go through. So once you ensure these couple of steps, you should be able to fix the PayPal payment pending issue. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.